4 years ago, Tesla's CTO JB Straubel was ramping up battery output at its sprawling Gigafactory near Reno, Nevada when inspiration struck. Why not start a company to recover metals from the factory's scraps and other used electronics and turn them back into usable lithium, cobalt and graphite to make new batteries? Figure out how to do that at a low enough cost and a large enough scale and you'd have a real impact, boosting the supply of rare and valuable metals while easing the environmental harm of mining and keeping toxic batteries out of landfills. Later that year, while still working at Tesla, which he co-founded with Elon Musk and 3 others, Straubel started Redwood Materials as a new generation mining company in nearby Carson City. Electrification of everything is moving ahead and the demand for batteries is stratospheric, says Straubel, 45. Our mission at Tesla was to help catalyze this, to ignite all this excitement on electric vehicles. It's very rewarding to see it happening, but it's happening almost so fast it's running ahead of the ability for the whole supply chain to make it real. In 2020, Tesla sold around 500,000 electric cars, each one requiring thousands of lithium-ion battery cells and is targeting a 50% increase this year. Battery demand is further being stoked as giants General Motors and Volkswagen aggressively pursue their EV plans alongside all-electric startups like Lucid and Rivian. Prices of core battery materials like lithium, up 127% in the last 12 months, and cobalt, up 69%, are skyrocketing. But Straubel has early good news. After just 1 year of operation, Redwood Materials can already salvage tons of usable metals at costs below conventional mining. Most people sort of expect the opposite, that it would be too expensive today, but maybe it'll be cheaper in the future. It's actually cost competitive today, he says. Our goal is to make it even more competitive so that we can make more recycling happen. Straubel is tight-lipped on Redwood's financials, but the privately held company is probably doing around $20 million in revenues. In July, Redwood raised $40 million from Amazon, Breakthrough Energy Ventures and Palo Alto-based Capricorn Investment Group. That brings its total outside funding to $48 million at a $217 million valuation according to PitchBook. Straubel has likely invested millions more from his own fortune, which is estimated at $900 million. The company is currently scaled to recover enough material for 45,000 electric car battery packs annually. If it does, that could generate $90 million of revenue, based on Benchmark Mineral Intelligence's estimate that the commodity metal content per pack is worth about $2,000. Buyers of Redwood's reclaimed alloys include Panasonic, which makes cells at Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory, and EV battery specialist Envision AESC, which also supply it with lithium-ion scraps.